functions and importance in a healthy diet will discuss by Coach Ann Jordan. Good morning, Coach.
Ay, good morning, Coach Berlin. Thank you so much. Good morning sa lahat na andito ngayon sa ating Zoom and sa FB Live natin. Thank you for joining us in this very morning Independence Day ng Philippines. So thank you so much. Ayan, so I'm Coach Ann Jordan, silang area ako, silang Cavite. So I've been in the product for 14 years. So background ko, dati akong overseas workers. Of course, yung pag overseas ka kasi 'di ba ang layo mo sa family, tapos minsan marami kang nararamdaman na gusto mo, mas pinili kong umuwi dito sa Pilipinas. So yun yung um, hindi nabibigay ng Herbalife kasi with the Herbalife na andito ka sa Herbalife, alam mo yung you have your own time tapos you work on your own time, so pinili ko magiging self-employed. So before kasi, yung sabi ko, gamitin ko lang tong product is really to improve my health kasi syempre as we age, di ba, kailangan talaga natin yun. And tuloy-tuloy, ginamit ko siya yung product. Sabi ko, parang ang hirap na yung aloe tea and shake in the morning, but pag masimulan mo na siya, you're feeling better, ang sarap ng tulog mo, ang sarap ng energy mo. Sabi ko, tinuloy-tuloy ko na. So, over time, talagang ang sarap ng pakiramdam na you wake up in the morning na mas masarap yung, mas maganda yung pakiramdam mo compare before. So, ang pinakamaganda is you just start as a customer, pero later on, yung na-offer sa akin yung VIP na discount, and then uh, tawag doon is accumulation. And later on, nagiging supervisor para mas ma-avail mo ang product in a higher discount. And ang pinakamaganda, hindi ka iiwanan dito. You are with your sponsor or your mentor na tutulong sa'yo how you are going to grow dito sa company. And because of this community na virtual nutrition natin na ngayon, malaking tulong sa akin na nag-grow. Sabi ko nga, this is a continuing education na araw-araw you're learning, you're sharing it to others, and yung mga trainings na nabibigay sa atin first hand sa mga leaders natin, sa mga doctors natin, ang sarap ng pakiramdam na nakakatulong ka din sa community mo. So, that's why I love Herbalife Nutrition. Okay, so guys, sa topic na tayo ngayon. Topic natin is food, nutrients, functions, and importance in a healthy diet. Okay, so each day, our bodies need certain amount of yung nutrition naman talaga. Next, please. Yung kung nakikita nyo, kanina pinakita din ito sa first slides ng healthy breakfast. Diba? Ano bang kailangan talaga ng katawan natin? So our body need a lot of yung nutrients. So in order to maintain yung healthy diet, it's important na to recognize the significance of food and nutrients. Sabi nga, iba yung food, iba yung nutrition. They're totally different things. Next, please. Ayan. So, of course, we need vitamins, yung vitamin E, magnesium, lahat. Marami po tayong kailangan talaga sa katawan natin. Next, please. So, ayan. First is, lagi natin sinasabi dito is the protein. We really need protein. This is essential nutrients. It plays a vital role in building and maintaining yung body tissues natin while providing energy and supporting metabolism. So we have to eat at least 2 to 3 servings from different sources every day. So if you're, kung okay ka sa animal proteins, then go for your lean meat. And of course, kung you're a vegetarian, if you prefer yung plant-based, marami ding sources niyan na makukuha mo dito, mas healthier siya kasi wala po siyang cholesterol. Okay, so yung mga plant-based, yung lentils, soybeans, so ayun, mas healthier siya, kaya ako ay opt lang plant-based. Next, please. Ayan, so ang pinakamaganda, kasi dito nga, with our healthy breakfast, and even sabi nga ni Mother, even yung mga snacks natin, we can replace it with our yung protein shakes natin. So we have the Herbalife Rebuild, Herbalife 24 Formula 1 Sports, and of course yung ating shakes na in 5 flavors. So this is 9 grams of protein plus yung personalized protein powder natin. Meron siyang 5 grams. So actually, pwede mo siyang i-mix together. Yung PPP natin or the personalized protein powder, pwede mo siyang i-mix together with your shakes or sa mga soup ninyo or yung mga pagkain natin, pwede po siya. Kahit i-bake po, pwede po siya. Next. So next is carbohydrates. So other crucial nutrients serve as the primary source of fuel for our bodies. Sabi nga, energy-giving food, yung carbohydrates. So dapat ang atin namang option for the carbohydrates should be yung good carbs. Okay? So saan natin makukuha yung mga good carbs? Of course, yung mga colorful na fruits and vegetables. Ito yung pinakamaganda kasi it's also supply yung mga kailangan nating antioxidants and phytonutrients. Okay, so yung mga sugary food, they have no fiber, walang vitamins, walang minerals. Sometimes kasi yung comfort lang na nakakain ka or yung kung ano yung available. Remember that being healthy or gusto mo magiging healthy, it should be intentional. Kailangan planuhin natin or start from your buying fruit, yung mga vegetables or grocery natin, dapat i-incorporate na natin yan. Next, please. Ayan, next is healthy fats. So, very colorful. Nakita ninyo kung ano kailangan talaga ng katawan natin. So, fat has several functions in our daily diets. Next, please. So, kung nakikita nyo, it contribute to brain function. So, it's very important. Brain function and overall well-being natin. Also, yung nervous system natin. So, it helps also absorb yung mga fat-soluble vitamins. And it's also, of course, it adds flavor sa food. Kaya minsan, di ba, yung kahit oil, ilagay mo sa food mo, masarap na siya. Kasi it really gives flavor. And keeps our eyes, our skin, our bones, and our nails healthy. So it's very important na kainin talaga natin to kasi ito yung tutulong sa atin para magiging healthy yung skin, bones, and nails natin. Okay, next please. Ayan, to keep fat intake down, we have to remember this. We have to avoid yung mga any fried foods. I know it's very common, especially pag merong mga kids, na everyday, meron talagang fried something. Pag hindi pa sila naka-healthy breakfast ng Herbalife, usually the very start is yung fried, egg, yung hot dogs, yung mga ganun. So, we have to avoid that. I think it's too much na ginawa ninyo. You can start from now. You can go bake, you can roast, you can broil or steam your food para siya mas healthier na mapapakain natin sa family namin. Okay? And go easy also on yung mga sauce. Kasi minsan, healthy na nga yung food mo, pero yung dinagdag mo ng mga sauce, grabe. Like the gravies, yung sa salad dressings, di ba? Yung salad mo healthy na, pero yung dressing mo hindi mo alam na very high calorie pala siya. Avoid yung mga mayonnaise-based na mga dressing. Instead, you go for yung mga vinaigrette. At saka yung avoid natin yung butter and margarine na lagi sa food natin. As much as possible, if we can do simple cooking, that's good. So try low or non-fat versions naman sa mga pagkain like yung milk, your yogurt, yan. Sa milk, you can go for plant-based din kasi may option din siya for plant-based. So ano lang, you can start then yung mga low-fat na mga milk if kung talagang magsisimula ka. So, yan, sa mga snacks natin, we have to be very careful. Yan, it's very important na basahin din natin yung mga tawag nito, nutritional facts na nakalagay doon. Next, please. Ayan, so we have to incorporate also healthy fat doon sa diet natin. Like, have fish a few times a week. So, yan, kung talagang mayroon kasing mga taong hirap sa fish, try nyo lang na kahit you start 1 in a week or 2, ganyan, para later on masanay din kayo. Kasi yung good fat na makukuha nyo sa fish is really important. And then you can add a handful of nuts or yung some avocado to a salad, di ba? Ano siya, available ngayon yung avocado kaya ang sarap. Any salads pwede niyong dagdagan. And you use also olive oil sparingly in cooking. Next, please. And ang pinakamaganda kasi, yun nga, para yung tinatawag natin na Herbalife line natin. This is a very amazing product talaga. Nakikita ako na very high, ang potency niya sa omega-3 is very high, na ang role kasi ng omega-3 is i-burn niya yung bad fats or yung omega-6. So, dapat mas more yung intake natin ng omega-3 kaysa omega-6. Okay, so kasi ito, tinutulungan niya rin binuburn yung bad fats, which is if you're in a lose weight program, then malaking tulong din ito para then i-burn niya talaga yung mga naninigas na ng mga fats natin. Okay, so it helps yung joints natin, yung hair, at saka yung skin natin na pagandahin niya. Okay, so Herbalife line, don't forget that this is the fish oil na meron tayo sa Herbalife. Next, please. And of course, fiber. Okay, fiber is essential for healthy digestion and for keeping the digestive system in balance. It's very important. Pag every day, if you take this, talagang success every day, di ba? Next, please. So, ang pinakamaganda kasi Herbalife also offers yung ating tinatawag na fiber and herbs. Next. Yung fiber and herbs kasi natin, malaking tulong talaga siya. 180 tablets siya na gagawin mo siyang 2 every meal. So it's like part of your meal talaga siya. Nakakainin mo. Diba sabi nga, this is part of yung parang food lang talaga tayo. So kaya tayo kailangan ng replacement, ng meal supplement kasi kulang talaga yung kinakain natin. We're supposed to eat 5 to 7 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. Ang problema, hindi talaga natin yan namimit everyday. Kaya kailangan natin na meron tayong supplement, and this supplement talagang really help increase yung daily fiber intake mo. And it support yung digestive health mo. And it eliminate waste and toxins. Sabi ko nga parang dumadaan lang. Pag ano yung mga kinakain ko, parang dumadaan lang. Talagang nilalabas niya. It is ideal to use in conjunction with yung Formula 1 natin na shakes, na aloe tea shakes natin in the morning. And get the Formula 2, which is the multivitamins complex natin, as part of your weight management program and to support yung overall healthy nutrition natin. Okay, next. And of course, by understanding the roles of different food nutrients and making mindful choices, we can achieve a nourishing and balanced diet. So as simple as that, start from yung small and then make it a habit na talaga. So healthy eating is very important. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Back to you, Coach Berlin.
Yes, oo naman, Coach Ann. Meron talaga. Share ko lang ha, quickly. Na-appreciate ko yung na-mention mo kanina, yung